Because I think using the preset way, the logic is I can stop a dynamic preset, a phaser,
Right.
in my sequences by just replacing them with a static preset. I built a sequence with 2 cues to demonstrate how I could get out of this phaser in Q3. Q1 shows my selection at full in the downstage center position. Q2 introduces a phaser. The phaser has 2 steps. Step 1, I use the Congo color preset and the tilt preset for -90. In step 2, I set the color to open white and the position moves to the preset that points to downstage center. Nothing fancy about it, but it contains 2 attribute types, color and position. With Q2 running and the selection in the programmer, I've changed the color to a static preset, so it's just open white. When I store Q3 and play it back, Q3 stops the color from the phaser. However, the tilt hasn't been replaced by anything, so the units keep moving. I have some options. I could reselect the units and then apply the static downstage center position or any other static position and update Q3. But there's another option I could use. This is a version of Q3 with a static downstage position applied and the color phaser still running this time. Using half of the original selection, I'll use the Stomp keyword followed by the feature group I want to stomp. In this case, it's the color. The update key will then let me know there's an update available. And then using the update mode, add new contents, I can stop the color phaser in Q3 and restore back the color to the previous value for that attribute in the tracking sheet. So there are a few ways that I could suggest getting phasers that have been tracked into other cues out. Just make sure you're applying a static preset to that feature group or using Stomp with an attribute.